Hi, my name is Dr. Luann Sailors, and I'm the founder and instructor for Sign Tribe. I began Sign Tribe so that I could help individuals with disabilities to be able to communicate their wants and needs more effectively. When I was teaching a high needs special education class, I realized that many of my students were very frustrated due to a lack of communication skills. Now, since both of my parents are deaf, I was able to quickly implement signs and signals to help my students communicate with me and others. Over time, I did begin to see a reduction in undesired behaviors. I took my knowledge of sign language along with my passion for special education and built Sign Tribe to help others in this same way. Now, if you have a child with special needs or work with individuals with special needs, it's very possible that you have also encountered some difficulties with communication. Being able to communicate is a very important factor for behavioral outcomes in the individual's current level of independence. And through my membership site, I teach you different strategies to implement for improved communication with your children or students. Since all children have different learning needs and preferences, I have made a few different videos showing you some of the strategies to teaching your child sign language so that you can also be on the path to improved communication. Some of the videos include how to teach your child sign language through the use of objects, pictures, and also tips on reducing undesired behaviors. Be sure to check out Sign Tribe, and I'll have the site linked below this video. And once again, thank you for watching.